hundreds and hundreds of years old. So I do not want to kind of make it twist it my way. I just want to give it a little bit of a new clothing, and that is the sound, which is the instrumentation which I cannot bring in now without the band. So obviously you cannot hear what I did to the folk, but I can sing with the guitar. Few folk, I mean, as I travel India, as I told you earlier, I'll start with Kumaon only. I can start anywhere, but I'll start with Kumaon. So this song, this girl is telling her father that don't send me to the plains where there's a rich guy there with a jeep or something. It'll be too hot there, and my sickle from my hand will fall because of the heat. I'm just very happy in the mountains, and keep me here and keep me married to a poor guy up in the mountains. I do not mind, but don't send me to the plains. That's the song. Why I'm singing this is Kumaon, and the next song I'll go to Assam, and you'll see the similarity, okay? It's so far away. When I found it in Kumaon, I was like, wow, that sounds like Assam folk, okay? So you'll see the similarity, how far it is and what happens. So, Jhandiya bojo lagla bilore ko ghama, Jhandiya bojo lagla bilore ko ghama, haath ki daatuli haate maroli, haath ki daatuli haate maroli, Jhandiya bojo lagla bilore ko ghama. So this is Kumaon, and I'll go to Assam. You see how?
And it's the same.
No, it's something else, but it sounds so similar. No, it's totally different. This is a Bodo song, so it's so similar. See,
to hear.
And Assam and Kumaon is like 2,000 kilometers away. So it's a similarity I'm just showing you, and this is hundreds of year old music. See, another Bodo, my pronunciation may be wrong, but the Bodo song is Bagarumba, hai Bagarumba, Jatunga bala, Kulunga bala, Tabaru mamnane, lago manakha, Bagarumba, hai Bagarumba. Back to Kumaon. Jhandiya bojo lagla bilore ko ghama.
It's the same. If you don't know the language, it would be the same song.
Now you go to Nepal, suppose. I'm just taking you through. Like I'm saying, how you travel, and the folk is so similar in India, no matter where you are. Little up. Gai charu raja ko banuma, mo phule malati phulai ma. Gai charu raja ko banuma, mo phule malati phulai ma. Pokhara go bojarama anam utha sakcho, pokhara go bojarama anam utha sakcho, dar hola timro maya lagcho, gore hola chamar hola timro maya lagcho. Gai charu raja ko banma, mo phule malati phulai ma, Bagarumba, hai Bagarumba. So far.
You're right, and all three of them sound. If I didn't know the language, I would think it could be the same song. Yes, it's the same melody.
So suppose we have 4 minutes. Okay. So suppose I come down from the mountains from Nepal and go to, since we're in Bengal, go to a little bit of Assam where tea gardens are there, and you'll see that same folk, and it's like these tea garden people who settled there from Jharkhand, Bihar, Bengal, 500 years back. The English took them there. They made a whole new culture, whole new language there together. They don't belong back here anymore. They are not really Assamese, but they are Assamese also now. And so the mixed language. And this is how the tea garden songs happen. Okay. I'll come down to the mountain, from the mountains to the plains now. Keto ke bandi de lai hilogi bilogi khupa hai re. Keto ke bandi de lai hilogi bilogi khupa hai re. It's the morning, you should wake up so you can clap on beat, maybe everyone, then it'll feel like good, and you'll wake up also, you'll feel heated up for the day, which is going to be really heated up. কে চোখে বাঁধিতে লাই হিলগি বিলগি খুবা হায়রে কে চোখে বাঁধিতে লাই হিলগি বিলগি খুবা হায়রে কে তোকে নজরি লাগায় কে তোকে নজরি লাগায় হে বৃন্দাবন হো হারে রে সখী কে তোকে নজরি লাগায় হে বৃন্দাবন রস লাগায় ননদিয়া বাঁধিতে লাই হিলগি বিলগি খুবা হায়রে ও লক্ষ্মী ননদিয়া বাঁধিতে লাই হিলগি বিলগি খুবা হায়রে দেউরা তো নজরি লাগায় দেউরা তো নজরি লাগায় হে বৃন্দাবন হো হারে রে সখী দেউরা তো নজরি লাগায় হে বৃন্দাবন রস লাগায়. Making it short, but